ICT Right Solutions are those who have subscribers, and those who have not yet, try to subscribe. Make sure that you have subscribed so that you can learn more of ICT. So we are going to continue with PowerPoint presentation. The other one was introduction, those who watched the introduction. Now we are going to go in details. So in details, you need to follow as we are going through. So we shall open our PowerPoint. Now that is our PowerPoint. So our PowerPoint, we put our heading. Let's say our heading is increasing screening. In children. So what will be our subtopic? So it will be so that is our slide number 1. So if we want to add another slide, we said we shall go to insert, then new slide, then you choose the slide you feel it is best for you. So let's say me I have chosen this. So we say then here we shall say just I'm trying to show you how we make these slides. Don't follow my words which I'm typing, but follow the way we are doing so that you can create yours. Okay, then now, so we may need to add like a picture of these children. Okay, so you may need to add anything you feel like you want to add, you just add. Okay, so if we say we add a picture, so that I don't have pictures, but I will see how I can do. Let's say that is my picture. Even here I can add a picture. Okay, so we can add here notes. You click here to notes down here to explain your slide. Yeah. So if we say that if you want to put notes, then we can say like on this. We say so. Here down here, you just explain about your presentation. So we are not supposed to conflict the slide or to compact the slides in PowerPoint. You just breathe in. Then if you want to talk about your breath-ins, that's when you go down and start talking about your breath-ins, what you put. That's when you go down and start talking about your slides, explaining more, giving the details of your slides. Then we can add another slide depending on your work. How will your work be? Okay. You can add a slide. Here I've added a slide without anything. So I can put whatever I feel like I want. So if I want to delete a slide, you come here to this menu of slides, then you right click, then you delete. It goes away. I can say this first, my slide becomes the number one. I will just come here on the slide menu, then I lift it. It becomes number one, then another one becomes the number two. So you as someone who is having topics, it's you who decides that this slide should become number one or this one number two. So here I can say thanks. So that was my presentation. So other things we do are the same as what we did in Word. Like if I want to put this one in the middle, I will highlight, then I click this one, it goes to middle. If I want to put it in a capital letter, the same thing, I'll put it in a capital letter. Then I can lift it in the middle of the slide. Now that is arranging the slide. So after arranging the slides, so you start making your work a beauty, because what we want to see is the work which is beauty. If you are going to present somewhere, you need also to present something which is appetizes, which when someone sees on it, feels that truly this person has done something. So we just come to design. Now we are going to give a background color. So if we are going to give a background color, we choose among these background colors the one which fits with your words. You choose the one which you see it fits with your document. If you see it doesn't fit, you can change. Okay? You change to the one you think it is good. When you project it, everyone will say, this man has brought something which is good. Okay, so you choose according to your wish. Okay, so let's say me, I've chosen this. Okay, now we said after choosing, now we want to see how does these words come to the screen. So you choose according to what you want your words to come to the screen. So transition, we said transition works with a slide. How does a slide comes to the screen? So if I click on this slide number 1, then I'll choose how I want my slide to come. Then I click on slide number 2, I choose how I want my slide to come. Then I click on slide number 3, then I choose how I want my slide to come. Okay. Now, omniscience works with the words inside the slides. So when you are working on the words inside the slides, they start with the slide number 1. You just click on your words here. So how do you want your word to come? Mine, I want to come like that. That's the number 1. When you start with the downward as number 1, that's what it will first bring. So the one you make sure you follow them according to how they are following each other. So I want that one to come like that. Then I go on another slide, the same thing. Then then I click on this. How does this one is going to come? Then I click on this one also. How do I want us to come? Yes, that is this side. I'm done. Then I come to this side. Then I just say this one I want to come like that. Then I click on this. I want that one to come like that. Okay. Then I got the last slide. Then I choose that one. Now I'm done with sliding. Now, sometimes they usually tell you that we want you to time your slides. So if they say time your slides, how do you want your slides to come in which interval? There you will go to transition. Then in transition, there is what we call sound, duration, and the like. Now, sound, I can put a sound. Okay? Then I can put time. Then I time my slides. Let's say I have time for 1 minute. Means like in 1 minute, my slides will be changing. Even though you don't attach anywhere, then you apply to all. Then it means you have applied all slides. Now, if you want only words to come in an interval, you just come to ammunition, then you say on click. Or if you want them to run by themselves, you just say on click, then you set time here. Then after setting time, it means when the slide comes, it will just with an interval, a word comes with an interval, a word comes. Then with showing slides, we said here you can show from the beginning. Like now we are going to see what we've done. Okay? So if we click what we've done, that's how it looks like. Okay? Now that was the word, how the words are coming. Yes, slides are coming like that. Like that. Yes. Yes. Then the last slide. So that's how we do our work. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Subscribers, please make sure you share our videos, because the more you share our videos, the more we teach this outside there. Thank you very much. Thank you.